SAP customers all over the world are planning their path to S4. At Auritas, we help you put together a strategic roadmap specific to your SAP landscape. And we teamed up with SAP to standardize on a methodology that will help you minimize risk, reduce the cost of getting to S4, and reduce the cost of operating on S4. It's called AMPD, Archiving, Migration, Performance Testing, and Decommissioning. Think about your move to S4 like a move to a new house. All moves start by assessing the current house, your ECC system in this case, that's been running for years or maybe even decades. And it's accumulated a lot of stuff. In your move to S4, you could bring over all of that stuff to the new house, but that's a really expensive approach. The cleaning, organizing, moving, and storing of things you don't need is a waste of time and money. And storage is a premium in this new house, right? Instead, we help you put together an archiving strategy into place that gives you a smaller footprint on S4, saving you licensing money, and reduces the migration effort, reducing the project costs. Tools like Data Assist by Auritas handles what to do with this data. For example, some records might be 10 to 15 years old and can be deleted. In fact, not deleting these records actually opens you up to legal risk and exposure. Other records should be archived, reducing the storage costs while still keeping it accessible to the business. This can reduce your database size to 30 to 40% off the bat. And once reduced, Data Assist automatically archives for you going forward, keeping your data growth flat and within your license. So start with archiving to reduce the cost of getting to S4 and operating on S4. And with a more manageable data footprint, now you can migrate that data over to your new S4 home. And SAP partners provide powerful platforms to manage and administer the flow of this data, tracking timelines and data quality to ensure that everything comes over. And with data in the new system, now it's ready for performance testing. And there are SAP partners that can help reduce the cost of testing through automation, codeless, and business user testing. Now you're living in your S4 home. What happens with the old ECC system or any other legacy application that's been kept running for years? Did you know that 72% of the average IT budget is spent maintaining legacy systems? These dormant systems need to be decommissioned so you can reallocate that cost to new initiatives. And DataGuard by Auritas retires legacy systems and consolidates their data into a single compliant repository, gives the business all the access they need, and stores all the information on the BTP cloud. Same namespace as your S4 home. So to help navigate your journey to S4, reduce costs, minimize project risks, think AMPD. Archive, migrate, performance testing, and decommissioning. And you'll love your new S4 home.